Okay. Busy day cleaning up, and now we're gonna have to stay somewhere else because we put the pesticide in the house. Everyone's here. Jaran, what did we do today?
We cleaned the house.
Yeah. And where are we going now?
The Star.
Yeah, because we don't checking in at the hotel because we don't have any no beds, and then nothing to lie on in the house, and then we put up the smoke pesticide too. So we're gonna stay at the Star Hotel. Yeah. Hi guys, it's 7:30 p.m. and we are in the city. They're waiting for me at the light rail. We brought the car, so I had to get a staff parking ticket for it. That's why I went to the office there. And also I actually forgot to bring my donut yesterday, so I took it out as well. And we're gonna bring it to the Star at the hotel. Yeah. I think they're still up. They're still open here now. Still upstairs.
Yeah, you told me the other day you'd be coming back today, but you didn't. Oh no.
Akala ko dito na kayo eh. Kakaano lang, although it's 9 minutes. Hi George! Hi George! Okay.
Wala na kami gamit.
Wow! Alright! What do you want, Blair? You want the donut?
She knows.
She knows it's the donut.
Wow.
Look, okay, go for it. Open. Ooh, wow! Ooh, wow! Blair,
Ilang araw na
take a bite. Take a bite. Yummy! Blair, clap your hands.
Ano yan natin ako yan? Kakalat lang.
Ah, sige, go.
Sarap.
Blair. Hi guys. What time is it? 10 o'clock at night. And we've checked in at the Star Hotel. We had a busy day. We went early to start the day cleaning at our apartment house because we will be vacating the unit soon. So we need to clean everything, make sure it's ready for the next tenant. And the house is actually like empty now. There's no more bed, no furnitures, no appliances, because we've given them away, and some we also sold. So we didn't want to stay at home and sleep on the floor, so we checked in at the Star Hotel. Blair, say bye-bye na, Blair. Blair, bye-bye. 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 That's it, guys. See you tomorrow. Blair.
Bye!
Say bye-bye na, bye-bye, bye-bye. That's it, guys. Good night.
Night!
Night, mommy. Good night. Good night. Love you. See you tomorrow. Off na lights. Off na lights. Off. Okay, mommy, off light. Okay lang. Good night. That's it, guys. What's that? What's that, Blair? Oh, Sydney. Hila, sige. Good night, Sid. Good night, Sydney. Blair, say good night. Good night. Love you. Good night. Wow. Okay na. Sleep na tayo. Good night na. Oh, Blair. Hi there. Morning. Breakfast na, tas swimming. Wow. Pwede ko kaya kayong sunduin dito. Ayan. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Ikaw na kayo.
Mango.
Wow! Wow!
Ang gusto niya to?
Yung naman tabi sa
Alin?
kumuha ka ng French toast.
You like the smoothie? Yes? Wow!
Wow.
Good job, Blair! You finished the whole glass! Yay!
Morning, Blair. Wow. Oh, wow. She wants Morning! Honey! Bye-bye! That's it, guys! Si Blair. Sleeping, guys.
We're going home to our new house.
Going out from your house! Yahoo!